southwest Pakistan has been hit by a second strong earthquake in just 4 days. ARI television reports that at least 18 people are dead and more than a dozen are injured, while dozens of homes have collapsed. Pakistan's meteorological department says the 7.2 magnitude earthquake hit the southwest province of Baluchistan on Saturday. The epicenter this time is 30 kilometers northeast of Awaran, the zone that was shaken by 7.7 magnitude on Tuesday afternoon, with more than 500 dead so far. Meanwhile, across the border, India says tremors there being felt in the Indian capital, New Delhi. We'll, of course, bring you all the latest information as and when we get that.